Welcome to the Office of Undergraduate Research. This video will assist faculty members at John Jay College interested in conducting research with undergraduate students. The Office of Undergraduate Research seeks to both promote and support students doing research with faculty members. Be sure to check out our website, www.jjay.cuny.edu/undergraduate research to get information that we'll be discussing in this video. Also remember to save us on Facebook at JJCOUR for upcoming undergraduate research updates. The Office of Undergraduate Research offers many different types of support. We have promotional outreach to students and faculty members. We assist students and faculty members with matchmaking and headhunting. The Office of Undergraduate Research has different types of student support. We provide stipends and scholarships, travel awards, supply grants, and poster printing. We help connect students to other student services. We provide students with announcements of off-campus opportunities, and we promote student accomplishments on our website and newsletters. The OUR also has many different types of faculty support. We help faculty members find students. We provide small supply grants, mentoring awards, and other recognition. We give resources and support for undergraduate research mentoring. We promote your accomplishments on our website and newsletters. And we advocate for institutional change to better recognize the value and hard work involved in undergraduate research. So why should undergraduates do research? Completing a research or creative project gives students hands-on experience and a greater in-depth understanding in what they are studying. Participating in research will help students develop skills necessary to their field of study and their future job, decide whether they want to study further in the field or if they really want a job in that field, and show others that they can complete a major project and they can have a project that shows they are capable. There are many different barriers facing our students. Time and money. The OUR help research students with stipends and scholarships. Often, students may have a lack of academic culture and indoctrination. And so research students can receive close mentoring from a faculty member. Often, students may have a lack of academic preparedness. And so mentoring includes advising, and we can help connect students to support services. Research experience will help motivate students to work hard and improve skills and grades. And students may find a lack of connections and networking. And so through research, students can gain connections through a faculty mentor. Research students can go to conferences, present, and even publish. How can faculty members find students? The best way is to talk about your research in class. Keep your faculty webpage updated in case students want to read more about your research. Post items about your research around your office, and post openings in your research group on your office door, complete with a description of the project and roles students would play. Let us at the OUR help. We can advertise your position through flyers around our office, postings on our website, targeted recruitment emails, and special mention at student workshops. How to get students interested in doing research. Include them in research methods and recent discoveries. Accept students from all course levels. Get your students thinking and excited about disciplinary frontiers. Introduce them to the process, nature of research in the discipline. Whenever possible, talk about the recent work of John Jay College or CUNY faculty that have made notable contributions to the discipline. Point out if undergraduates were involved. When it comes up in class, introduce your own research topic and methods. Don't be afraid to show off your work, past and present, and be a shameless recruit. Be specific. How to make students useful. Research spans a wide range of activities and skill levels. Anything you need to do in order to do research is part of the research process and appropriate for student work. Students can begin with very low-level tasks to help recover your time spent training them. Then have those students train newer students. A student doesn't necessarily need his or her own project right away. Think of it as an apprenticeship. Students recruited from certain courses may already have helpful skills or knowledge sets. Eventually, however, students need to make creative or original contributions of some kind. How can you support your students? The best way is to start working with them first. Be sure we know about you and them, and help your students apply for scholarships and stipends. Bring your students to conferences with you, and include them as co-authors on presentations and publications. Include lines for undergraduate stipends and support in your grant applications. The Office of Undergraduate Research has coordinated with the College Scholarship Committee in order to combine our resources and give as much support as possible to our student researchers. Be sure to let your students know about our website so they can read up on upcoming scholarships they may qualify for and apply to. As an important part of the research team, students have a place at academic conferences when the results of their project are presented. However, registration, travel, and lodging can add up to considerable expenses. The Office of Undergraduate Research and the College Scholarship Committee have set up special funding to support student travel to conferences. Be sure that your students know about the Young Scholar Award. Whether for the Celebrating Student Research Symposium, for a conference your students will be attending, or any other purpose, students may need to make a poster displaying the results of their research project. Printing this poster can be costly, so the OER provides free poster printing services to students doing research with faculty members. Here are some tips on the best practices faculty members can conduct. Thoroughly discuss with your research assistants the expectations for time commitments and activities. Set up a regular schedule of shifts or deadlines. You or your students can keep track of the time spent. Reward and celebrate achievement of benchmarks. And make sure you have a continuous discussions of expectations. Establish mentoring pyramids with students at different levels. Consider forming teams. Make sure you have regular group meetings and presentations. And help your students form connections with related faculty-led groups. Be active on campus and beyond. Encourage engagement between your students. Make sure you have your students involved in conferences, workshops, presentations, and clubs. So let's navigate the Office of Undergraduate Research website. When you go to the OER website, you will notice that there is a link for faculty members. Here you can find many useful information for faculty. If you want to read more about many different benefits of undergraduate research for students and faculty, if you want help identifying and recruiting student research assistants, if you want help finding support for your students, including support for their travel to conferences with you, and if you want to read more about effective mentoring practices. Also be sure to check out our announcements site. Here you will find a link to our upcoming newsletter, different positions we have available. If you have a position you want to advertise, be sure to let us know. You'll also find upcoming deadlines and opportunities for scholarships, workshops, and summer internships. We also have a section for awards, honors, presentations, and authorships. Be sure to have your students come and check out our webpage so they could have answers for any questions they may have in regards to undergraduate research. Be sure to check out our website at jjay.cuny.edu/undergraduate research and save us on Facebook at JJCOUR. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at 646-557-4625 or email us at our@jjay.cuny.edu.